Okay, for this next one, I thought I'd move on to section 8C2 in the practice exercises. This one has 4 lines at the start, X or not Z. Line 2 says W. Line 3 says Z or Y and not X. And then line 4 says if W, then not X. The conclusion I'm supposed to reach says Y and not X. So as usual, I have a Y and an X here in my conclusion. I'm going to start looking for those. I see an X here, I see a Y and an X here, and I see an X here. Now I notice, of course, that this Y and not X is exactly what I'm trying to prove. That's my conclusion that I want. So it would be handy if I can get to it by eliminating this Z. Right? I would do that through disjunctive syllogism. So how can I get rid of Z? I need to know not Z. So now I'm looking for a not Z. Well, there's one right there in line 1. Again, a disjunction. So I can get that if I can somehow get rid of this X, which means I need to know not X. Well, there's not X. How can I get to that? Well, it's in a conditional. I know, in general, that if I want to get to the consequent of conditional, modus ponens is an excellent rule, MP. To use modus ponens, I would need to know W, and of course, quite coincidentally, there it is, W. So W, right, allows me to get to not X allows me to get to not Z allows me to get to my conclusion. So let's just do the proof. So first thing I want to do is get to my not X. Right? That's from lines 2 and 4 modus ponens. Now that I know not X, I can get not Z from 1, 5, disjunctive syllogism. Now that I know not Z, I can get to my conclusion, Y and not X, from line 3, line 6, disjunctive syllogism. Okay? That's the proof.